Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Brendan. Today I'm looking at the Pinegrow editor, and I'm not going to overwhelm you with too much. I'm just going to show you some AI capabilities of Mr. Pinecone, the Pinegrow AI assistant. So let's get started. So here I am in a Pinegrow project. I can see I have just a blank page here, and I can start by typing to it to say add a section. Now, this isn't something you need AI for, right? It's just, you can add a section, but just showing that you can type to it. And now what else can I do? I'm going to talk to it and see if I can get it to build some things for me. So I'm going to enable this, and then I can hold down spacebar to activate it. And I'll be talking to both you and the AI things. Sometimes it'll be hard to tell, so sorry, but let's give it a go. So can you make me a text link that says click me? And you can see there, it has created it. There's a text link. And can you make this into a button so that there's top and bottom padding and double the left and right padding? So hopefully we'll be able to make sense of that. You can see down here, it has put 10 pixel padding on the top and bottom and 20 pixels on the left and right, exactly what I asked for. So what else can we do? Let's act like a client. Can you make the button pop? Can you make it pop more with like a bright green? Oh, it sure can. Look at that. Now let's add a card heading, H3, and description text above the button and wrap it in a div. Perfect. Can you make it a dark background color and double the padding all around on the card? Can you also make the text light? Okay, can you wrap this in a container and make it a 3-column grid with 20 pixels of padding? All right, so you can see it's just using tokens here from OpenAI. I'm using GPT-4, which is a little bit slower, but it works better. All in all, this will probably only cost me a few pennies to generate all this stuff from the video. So you can see there we've got our 3-column grid. Fantastic. Can you make sure that the cards stretch to fill the available area in the grid? And, it'll probably make a mistake sooner or later in this video, but I am just going to power through it. And, it's not perfect, but it's always getting better, isn't it? And as I said, yeah, GPT 3.5 is a bit faster. But there we go. There's our 3-column grid. And just like that, I'm going to have it also add some padding. Can you add section padding 10 rem all the way around? So this is it's a pretty cool AI assistant. I recommend checking out the Pinegrow website. There's a bunch of videos here on this Pinegrow AI assistant page that you can check out. So there we go. There's my padding added, and let's see, what else can we do? Can you add a gradient background to make it look modern and make it pop? So we'll see what it comes up with, but we already have our beautiful buttons here. So I'm going to click off that so we can actually see the background here and we don't have that green overlay. And definitely check out the videos. As I mentioned, the capabilities are pretty interesting. There's ability to add tasks so you can not have to do the same tasks over and over again. Um, there's various things you can do you can have it look up images, you can have it browse the images in your file, you can select elements to make it use one to prompt it. Lots of different things in here. There's transform layout and just content. So if you just don't want to mess with the layout and you just want to change the text content, there's lots of options in there. So you can see we've got our gradient background there, our 3-column grid. There it is. Check it out. And if you want to see more Pinegrow content, let me know in the comments or give it a thumbs up.